Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes B-Class, a w246 2017. I'm just gonna change the wiper blades, the front wiper blades. I've already changed the one side, in this case the passenger side. Now I'm gonna do the driver side, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's fairly easy. It's that kind of fitting, and this is the wipers I'm using, Bosch. So one is 26 inch and the other one is 19 inch. So in this case the driver side is the biggest one, the 26 inch. Now you could just pull the arm here and do it this way, or you could also, if you wanted to, put the wipers in the sort of in the park position, and then it's a little bit also be easier to do it. It really depends on yourself, but if you want to get the wipers in the park position, basically if you get the ignition on, I just got the ignition at the moment, and you switch on the wipers, so they're gonna be working, and then you will switch the ignition off when they are up basically, and then they will stop. So I got it in the wrong place. Right, so you can basically time it so that they are up here, but this is good enough as well. Then we can get that wiper blade, just pull the wiper blade, and then the way you want to do this is you want to flick the wiper blade like that, and then you want to pull on this bit here. Can be a little bit hard, but if this is like this, you're not gonna be able to pull this, so it has to be this, like this, and then pull that out, and then the wiper will just come out, and you get the new one. And you have to sort of fit it the same way, so you have to swing the wiper this way, otherwise you won't be able to close this. So once it's in there, sitting nicely, close that bit and you're pretty much done. So it's not a difficult one. Having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.